high enough, I think I can fly something. Not gonna lie, I've been inside too much, cause coming up I was around too much. No me, don't talk too much, I'd rather write it down or something. Put one in the air if we talking, man, cause that's only feel before I'm coming. I'm literally feeling these. Oh, hold on, man, these guys only 5. Let me go ahead, get 10 of these. Fuck, I might like nicotine. It's sad as hell. Boy, no, we was always bad as hell. Hair ain't changed, still nappy. And my lips still chappy. I ain't getting no napkin. I'm just trying to get back in. And I hope that God think I'm ready. I hope that God think about letting me fuck around and change my whole setting. That would be nothing short of a blessing. Like me, nothing short of a blessing.
I ain't your name, heaven in the devil's land. I took a dose and I ain't been right ever since.
Even when my downs feel like a avalanche, somehow everything in my life feel like it's heaven sent.
Some people never been cut off, but this nigga's fabricated. Seem stressed. Really, I wish I seen less and was happy more. Could imagine more. Summer black hot than the dragon war. I was in love with a matador. Mad at the fact that I had to tour. I had to dip on the road, getting chips, I'ma talk to you. Shipping the Julio straight with the lime till I'm toasting. I was too used to her love. Too used to using excuses. Stood up on my own deuces. I'ma keep loading these clips. Hope it don't jam when I show. I throw the Henny with Henny, my Ethiopian plug. I said if these niggas lit, we bout to blow out the book. I met a dove out in Wax. I think she opening up. She in the feeling, she want me fill her fallopians up. I'm in the field at the time, flying coach to the books, yeah. What you gon' do when the lights go off and you stuck with a bitch you don't like no more? And the niggas ain't paying your price no more, first of all.
Second of all, hold on, you first real strong, couple bars too long. Life so crazy, that ain't no secret. One day you help, the next day you need it. Don't count your eggs till you see them. Don't put them in the same basket unless it's Easter or unless the timing right. I've been left out and I rain too much. I might fuck around, put my whole mind in rice.
Hold on, bro, hold on. I'm at an angel name, heaven in the devil's land. I took a dose and I ain't been right ever since.
Even when my downs feel like an avalanche, somehow everything in my life feel like it's heaven sent. Feel like an avalanche. Somehow everything in my life feel like it's heaven sent.